Today I'm showing you my foolproof method so that your roasties come out crisp on the outside, fluffy on the inside every single time. If you want your roast potatoes to be crispy, golden and absolutely delicious, you're in the right place. I hope you're all well. I'm Shane. Welcome back to It's Cooking Good. Who doesn't love roast potatoes? They are a staple with any Sunday roast, and especially this time of year at Christmas, the roast potatoes are a close second, if not probably pole position in front of the turkey. So today I'm showing you my foolproof method to get perfect roasties every single time, and this is exactly how I do it. Bring a pan of salted water up to the simmer, add your potatoes, and we want to cook those for 8 minutes or until they're soft but not falling apart. And while they're simmering away, I'm going to make the seasoning that I put on my potatoes. So here I've got 2 tablespoons of plain flour, a teaspoon of onion granules, a teaspoon of dried sage, same again of dried rosemary, and same again of garlic powder or garlic granules. You want a good pinch of salt, and a little bit of cracked black pepper. Just give that all a good little mix, and that is a lovely little roast potato seasoning. Once your potatoes are cooked, drain them in a colander and put them back over the pan, and then cover it with a tea towel and just let them steam and cool down. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil to an oven-proof dish and 1 knob of butter. Place that into the oven until it's all nicely heated through. While your butter and oil is heating up, grab your potatoes and just give them a good shake. What you want to do is just ruffle up those edges without breaking up the potatoes. Then get some of your seasoning mix and just sprinkle all over your potatoes. This stuff keeps really well, so if you don't use it all, it will keep in an airtight container until you want to use it next time. Again, just shake these up to coat those potatoes in that lovely mix. Once your butter and oil is piping hot, we can add in our potatoes. Be careful not to splash yourself. And just using a spatula, we want to make sure they're all nicely coated in that oil butter mix. So they're now ready to go back into the oven at 180°C fan. I will turn them a few times during that cooking process. And these will take about an hour and a half or until they are nice and golden and crispy. So let's give one a go. Let's see if they do live up to the hype and if they really are that crispy. I suspect it's going to be quite hot. Can you hear the crunch? I don't know. You're not going to be able to see that, I know. But they are perfectly floury and soft in the middle and uber crispy on the outside. These are fail-safe roast potatoes. Absolutely perfect. I wouldn't change a thing. Guys, I really appreciate you tuning in. A real quick one for you today. If you're new to the channel and you like the content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please also like, share and comment. I'd love to hear from you. What's your secret way of doing roast potatoes? Please do share it with us. If you're looking for more Christmas recipe inspiration over the festive period, don't forget to check out my Christmas playlist. And if you want to see these potatoes as part of a budget turkey Christmas lunch, that is also in my Christmas playlist. I'll put all of the details of my fail-safe crispy roast potatoes down below in the description as always. And all that's left for me to say is until next time, it's cooking good.